When it comes to emails and SMS in Fergus, we've made your life easier by creating default templates. These save you from having to start from scratch, but if you'd like to add a personal touch or make changes, you can fully customize these. Let's start with email templates. To get started, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, navigate to Email from the menu on the left. Once you're there, click the Templates tab on the right. Now, you're ready to begin editing. Fergus provides preset templates for different purposes, which you'll see listed on the left. Let's take the Send Invoice to Customer template as an example. Inside the template, you'll notice pre-filled text and something we call tags. Tags are placeholders that Fergus automatically fills in with the correct details for each email. For instance, the Contact First Name tag will insert the main contact's first name for the job, so you don't have to type it manually every time. To update the wording of your email, simply click into the text box and start typing or deleting, just like you would in any document editor. Want to add tags to your email? Drag and drop them from the Tags menu on the right into your email where you want them. You can also remove tags by backspacing over them, just like regular text. Don't forget, you can make changes to the email subject line as well at the top. When you're happy with your changes, click Save in the top right corner. If you ever need to reset the original default template, just click the blue button at the bottom labelled Click here to restore the default template. Now, let's move on to SMS templates. To find these, go to the Integration Center in the Settings menu on the left and scroll down to the SMS Integration section. Once inside, click the Templates tab in the middle and you're ready to start editing. The process for editing SMS templates is nearly the same as for emails. You can type or delete text directly in the box and drag and drop tags where needed. However, with SMS, there's an important difference: character limits. Each SMS has a character limit, and exceeding this will increase the SMS count. For example, if your message goes over the limit, the counter in the bottom right corner will show 2, meaning your message will use 2 SMS credits. There's nothing stopping you from doing this, but it's just something you need to bear in mind. Fergus helps you keep track by estimating how many characters you have left, but keep in mind that tags will expand with actual job details, which can vary in length, so Fergus is giving you an approximation. Once you're happy with your SMS template, click Save in the top right corner. And, as with email templates, you can restore the default version at any time by clicking the Restore Default Template button at the bottom. And that's it. Now you're all set to create and send customized email and SMS templates with Fergus. Start personalizing your communication and make every message count.